Hi guys, so we have something slightly bizarre and telephone related today. This is a music on hold system for a analog or early digital telephone exchange. This was quite often used with the Alcatel style exchanges, bear with me. Alcatel, Nortel exchanges, those of that generation. Now these would normally be a subscription thing, so you wouldn't actually own these. You would pay a company for your hold music and they would send you one of these boxes and then an SD card. That's a 2 gig one, that's a big one. And then this is responsible for the awful noises you'd hear while you're on hold. Most exchanges at the time had an input for hold music, so this is essentially no more than an MP3 player, I suspect. We'll have a look at that card. Obviously with modern IP-PBXs these are now completely redundant and not needed. All that happens is you apply power to this and it just goes off and plays. So there we go, there's not much in here. We have come on, zoom in. We have an older STM series micro, an SD card, 2 jacks, and a little bit of power supply. There's really not much to it. I'm not sure what the connector would be for. Now, I want to repurpose this. So can we get this out? I believe so. There we go. So there is nothing on the back at all. And those are not stereo jacks, so annoyingly this isn't going to do the job for us. Should we see if we can power it up? Right, don't know how well this is going to work. My headphones are over the microphone and let's see what we get.
Are currently busy. Please hold for a short while and your call will be answered as soon as possible.
Yeah, there's probably a good reason why I can't play that for too long. I might have to edit the sound in the final video. So there you go, that's all that is. It's a music player, it's a mono music player, which is annoying. Bear with me. Taking your headphones off. Yeah, that's all there is to that. I can't think of much use. We'll go grab the laptop and we'll fire that up and see what that is, and I'll do that over on the PC for you. So yeah, that's fairly boring and unfortunately no use for us. Take care, bye.